Here the source code of Brian comes into play. I just will paste that here. Where I got it? I know that's the wrong text file. Let's say, sorry. There it is. I just pre-configured it. It's called script.vbs. And what the script will do, let's just go through it, at least through the major parts. First of all, it will send a carriage return to see if the host or the telnet host that we connect into is alive. Then you can see here screen waiting for string. When the access server prompts for the username, and this is, you can see right here, their name, and when this string pops up, then just send a string, and that is our login name here. And this little thing, VBCR, is called carriage return, and it's just like the same when you hit enter. So what the script does is connect to the device. That's kind of wrong. The connecting to the device is set with a start parameters we will get into later. This script is run when connecting to a telnet device, and when it prompts for username, it will tell login name, and then the telnet device should ask for a password, which you can see here. Screen wait for string as word, and then send the login password and hit enter. So, and that's it, and that's all we would like to do. So then let's just try this. I just copy this, and for login name, of course, we just take a routing switching rec 15 R1 here, for example, and for the login password, the password that is associated with the rec, and paste. So save the script. Now I just have to look where it is located on my HDD. It's at the desktop. Okay. Then let's change the link to that. It's C backslash ThinkPad user desktop script.vbs. Let's take this path, paste it in here, and just say start decrypt script.vbs we just created. Those arguments here, we just don't use them. We just change the port to actually this is one main part. Let's go into the arguments right here. This argument /telnet says that we run SecureCRT and want SecureCRT to telnet into host, and host in this case is rex.ine.com, and of course the port number, and this is port 23 for telnet, and that's enough for now. Let's just save it and try to run it. Okay, open. Unexpected argument. Okay, that's because of the path. It just has problems with the long hard disk drive path here, but we can change this. Let me just change this into C /script.vbs and copy. Let me copy the script. Let me copy the script into the root folder here. That's a little bit more easy. So let's try this again. Open it up. And what it does, as you can see, first hits enter to see if this is alive, and it's okay. Then its username is prompted. The script enters rsrec15r1. Then password is prompted. It just enters the password, and as you can see, I'm logged onto router 1. That's just fine. It's awesome. One thing we have here is the tab. It's still called like the host name. It's still called like the host name we just telneted into. And I think we're going to fix that now. So how we can fix that is, let's just modify the script a little bit. So let's go into the script, edit, and we will enter a new line. And this line says, I prepared it. So it's going a little bit faster. Just paste it here. Description here is caption of the tab, and what this line does is use the CRT window caption, so we can caption the tab. And of course, as we are telnetting into router 1 here, it makes sense that the caption is R1. Let's try this. We just save the file, close SecureCRT, that everything's fresh, and start the script again. And there it is. It's fine. We are connected to router 1 of rec 15, or let's say 20, and the caption of the tab is R1, so everything is fine. Problem now is that I'm lazy in this manner, and I want the script to telnet to all devices, but that's a little bit hard to realize, and we will cover this in part 2 of the video. So I'll just be back in a minute, and let's go into this in the second part. See you. Hi everybody, welcome back to the second part of our scripting challenge here. And right now we're going to get a little bit further into the script. And the challenge here now is to log in onto all routers, as we did right some minutes ago. And first of all, what we're going to, I will first log off here. So disconnect from the router. Close it. What you now have to do is you can write a script for every single router you want to telnet into. So this will end up into 10 scripts. And for time reasons, I just prepared this. Sorry. So let's have a look. It's SecureCRT scripts, VBS scripts. Here you can see my 10 scripts, each script for every single device. As you can see, router 1, router 2, 3, and so on. And let's have a look in here. As you can see, it's quite the same script we used before. It says caption the tab SecureCRT opens with R1. Step into INE rec 1. With the INE rec is a some kind of integer here, because some kind of string we can modify, and we will modify because every time you just purchase a rec rental session, the rec number changes, so it can be INE rec, RS rec 1, RS rec 10, RS rec 13, and so on. So it's not every time it's the same.